Hello dear students, welcome back to the maths class. In today's class we are going to cover the remaining questions of exercise 11.3. So open your textbook, open book page number 173. Open book page number 173, exercise 11.3. As you know that we were doing word problems, so let us start doing question number 11. Question number 11, a musical show note down the question from your textbook. Read the question very carefully with me. Question 11. A musical show started at 6:30 p.m. Starting time is given here and finished at 10:15 p.m. What was the duration of the musical show? Here two datas are given. Starting time is given and finish time of the show is given, and you need to find duration of the music show. So if you remember the formula of time duration, you can easily find out the solution, right? So let us start our solution. First of all, we will write given. What is given? Started time. Starting time is given. Starting time of show is 6:30 p.m. right? And finishing time. Finishing time is 10:15 p.m. We want to find the duration of the show. So we know that time duration or duration of show, duration is equals to finishing time minus starting time. What was the formula? Finishing time minus starting time. Right? Now we have the value for finishing time and starting time both. So we will put these values in our formula. So duration is equal to, what is the finishing time? 10:15 p.m. Minus sign is here, so put minus sign. Now write starting time. What is the starting time? Starting time is 6:30 p.m. So write 6:30 p.m. Now in rough work arrange both the timings column wise. In the respective columns we will write hours and minutes. So here in rough work I am showing you how to write hours, minute column. 10 hour 15 minutes and the next timing is 6 hour 30 minutes. So 6 hour 30 minutes. Now as the sign is of minus, so put minus sign here and now subtract. 15 in minutes column, observe 15 minus 30. 15 minus 30 is not possible, we cannot subtract. We cannot subtract a larger number from a smaller one. As you know that we cannot subtract a larger number from a smaller one. 15 is smaller and 30 is larger. So now we will borrow from neighbors column. And in neighbors column we observe that 10 is written. 10 is written in hours column. We will take 1 hour as minute as our answer. So duration of show, duration will be equals to 3 hours 45 minutes. 3 hours 45 minutes. Duration of our show, musical show, is 3 hours 45 minutes. Note it down or take the screenshot. This is the final answer. Duration of show is Duration of show is 3 hours 45 minutes. Take the screenshot or note down properly in your copy. Okay, now we will move towards the next question. I hope you have noted down. Now, question number 12. Question number 12. Akash is 10 years, 8 months, I am not writing the whole word problem, but you need to note down from your book. Okay, now read the question very carefully. Akash is 10 years 8 months old. His father is 30 years 9 months elder to him. How old his father? So here Akash, one boy Akash's age is given, and in question what information is given? They told us that his father is 30 years 9 months older than him. What we need to find here? His father's actual age. What is the age of his father? We need to find it. So, what is given? I am writing Akash's age is 10 years 8 months, right? 10 years 8 months is Akash's age. How much elder his father is? उसके पापा आकाश से कितने बड़े हैं? आकाश के पापा आकाश से कितने years elder हैं? 30 years 9 months elder है. So according to question, father's age will be equals to Akash's age plus 30 year 9 months. Right? What will be the father's age? Father's age will be Akash's is equal to, we have the value for Akash age. What is the value for Akash age? It is given 10 years 8 months. So write 10 years 8 months plus 30 years 9 months. Therefore, father's age is equal to, now in rough work, I am arranging these two data in columns. So, one column is years, another is months column. Right? Years column and months column. 10 year, 8 months. And the next data is 30 years, 9 months. We are adding, as plus sign is here, we are adding them. Now, as you know that we always start adding from ones column. So let us start adding. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9, how much? Count. 8 plus 9 means 8 plus 9, 17. 8 plus 9 means 17. 17 months. We cannot write 17 here. Do you know? 1 year, 12 months. Do you know 12 months are equal to 1 year? 12 months are equal to 1 year, right? So if I subtract 12 from here, if I subtract 12 from 17, what will left? 7 minus 2 is 5 and 1 minus 1 is 0, 5. So, we are having here 17 months. So, we are forwarding it as a carry in years. So, 1 year I have forwarded here in the form of carry. So, how many months left here? Only 5 months will left here. And 12 months I carry forward. 12 months means 1 year. So, therefore, I write 1 year. Because 12 months I sent here in the form of carry. So, 12 months means 1 year. So, I write 1 year. Now, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So, our result is 41 years, 5 months. So, father's age is 41 years, 5 months. So this is how we get our answer, 41 years, 5 months. Note it down properly. Note down the solution. Okay, so this exercise is over here. We have completed all the questions of exercise 11.3. Now we will solve the next exercise, that is exercise 11.4. exercise 11.4 on page number 176. Open page number 176, exercise 11.4. Read the question number 1. Define the following terms. Define the following terms. Temperature and second one is thermometer. Here you need to explain what is temperature and what is thermometer. So I am writing the definition of temperature. I am going to write definition of temperature. Exercise 11.4, question 1. Define the following. Temperature, temperature, okay. Now write the definition of temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is measurement of how hot or cold a place or object is. Temperature is a measurement. Temperature is a measurement. Temperature is a measurement of how hot or cold a place or an object is. Note down the definition of temperature. Temperature is a measurement of how hot or cold a place or an object is. Temperature is a measurement of how hot or cold a place or an object is. Suppose if we take an example of a coffee mug or an ice cream. So what do you say about coffee? It's a hot coffee or it is a cold coffee. In cafes, when you go, you order, someone orders hot coffee and someone likes cold coffee, so they order cold coffee. So how you measure it? How you can determine something is hot or something is cold? How you can determine it that ice cream is cold, coffee is hot? How you can determine it? So it is determined by temperature. It is determined by temperature. In winter season, how we say that today's temperature is in -2 degree C. Today's temperature is 21 degree. In summer seasons, we say today's temperature is 44 degree C. So this is all temperature. We define how hot a weather is, how cold a weather is, or how hot or cold a place is, or how hot or cold an object is. राइट आप कहते हो ना अपनी मम्मी से, मम्मी ये ग्लास अभी गर्म है, दैट इज हॉट. सो temperature to determine whether something hot or cold, we use temperature. To determine whether something hot or cold, we use temperature. So temperature is a measurement. Temperature is a measurement of how hot or cold a place or an object is. I hope you have noted down the definition. Now we will write the definition for thermometer. We will write the definition of thermometer. So part B. Thermometer. Thermometer is a device or tool this tool is used. Thermometer is used to measure temperature. A thermometer has two scales. A thermometer has two scales. Celsius scale, that is degree C, and Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale, that is degree F. What is thermometer? Thermometer, have you seen thermometer? Yes, thermometer is a tool by which we measure the temperature. Okay, there are so many kind of thermometers available in the market. One out of which one is available at most of the your home to measure the body's temperature. By using thermometer, we measure how hot a water is, how hot or cold a water is. By using thermometer, we can use a body's temperature. We measure fever, right? So thermometer is a tool to measure temperature. With the help of thermometer, we measure temperature. Thermometer is used to measure temperature. A thermometer has two scales. If you observe the thermometer, it has two scales. One is Celsius scale and other one is Fahrenheit scale. So on thermometer, two scales are there. One is Celsius scale and other one is Fahrenheit scale. So when we measure data in Celsius scale, we read it as degree C. Degree C. And if we are following the Fahrenheit scale, we speak degree F. It is the measuring degree. Right? If you measure length, you say meter, centimeter, kilometer. Right? In the same manner, if we measure the temperature, we use two scales. One is degree scale, Celsius scale, and other one is Fahrenheit scale. Note down the definition. The basic unit of measurement is degree, and the standard unit is degree Celsius, which is also called as centigrade, which is also called as centigrade. Okay, this question number 1 is over here. Question number 1 is over here. Now in your notebook, you will note down this note. This point you must remember, so give a heading note, okay? And under this note, write these 2-3 points which you need to remember, okay? The basic unit of measurement, the basic unit of measurement is degree, and the standard unit is degree Celsius. The basic unit of measurement is degree and the standard unit is degree Celsius, which is also called as centigrade. Also called as centigrade. Means degree Celsius is also called as centigrade. About which measurement we are talking here? We are talking about temperature here. So the basic unit of temperature measurement is degree and the standard unit of temperature measurement is degree Celsius, and we can also call degree Celsius as centigrade. Note down this point. After question 1, simply write note and note down this point. Then next point you will note down the next point, the Celsius scale is marked from 0 degrees Celsius or 0 degrees centigrade to 100 degree centigrade. Okay, the Celsius scale is marked from 0 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade. Note down both the points properly. Okay, our today's lecture is over here. We have done question number 1 of exercise 11.4 and we have note down some points about degree of temperature and temperature. Okay, so class is over. We will meet in the next lecture with the remaining concepts. Till then, bye bye students. Write down all the things from video lecture in your notebook very systematically.